guys, it's Salome from Surf Training Factory. Today we're going to do a warm-up that you can do before surfing. Let's check it out. So let's start with bear hugging yourself. What you're going to do is that you're going to extend the arm muscles and the mobility of your shoulder is actually going to increase for surfing. Bring your palms up and do little arm circles going backwards and forward. Bring your knee to your chest while stabilizing on your other leg for at least 10 seconds on each side. This will increase hip mobility. Bring your hand to the opposite foot so that your body is used to rotating, just like going for big maneuvers when surfing. Stretch your quads by tucking in your foot and bringing your knee down. Do this for at least 10 seconds on each side and really pull your foot back. And now let's finish up by warming up our ankles. This will make our ankles be stable when we surf, while standing on the surfboard, when landing big moves, or even just stabilizing ourselves while standing.